Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin, guys, is not doing too well right now. People are crying. People are running away. People are, kissing their mothers goodnight, kissing their babies. I don't know what that means, but people are running away right now. Like I've said, guys, we've been in a, in a downtrend since before here. This was like the top, I believe. This is the top for now, right? We're gonna see Bitcoin come down again, maybe test those levels, which is great. I would love to see that. Maybe even go lower. I would love for that to happen. But right now, guys, we're looking at the 8-hour chart. As you can see, the most amount of volume is here. So with that being said, there isn't much volume down here. So it's most likely this is what's what could happen. Bitcoin is just going to come down, but obviously it's not going to come down straight away. It's going to chop around everybody, take everyone's money, and then kind of come down, test there, and then blow up. But we're talking on the 8 hours. Let's have a look at the 6 hours. Kind of same thing. It's under the trauma here. We have the trauma 99 by Lux Algo. These guys are nice. When it's above the trauma, it's good. When it's under, it's bad. But things can happen like this where it's going to fake you out, right? So you just got to know when to go and when to stop out. We should probably have like an RSI or something here just to show us what's going on. But right now we're just, settling for this because we're kind of looking at big picture. We're not trading here, okay? This is not a trading channel because I don't want to make it a trading channel. I just want to give you updates on Bitcoin. Just I don't know, if you're like a new investor or whatever, just let you know what's up. But I do not recommend trading. Do not trade, guys. Do not trade, okay? By yourselves. You can trade with other things. You just gotta figure out what to trade with and how to trade. Okay, like for example, using strategies and stuff like that. So develop a strategy and let it trade for you. Do not trade it yourself. Anyways, with that being said, we're on the 6 hours. We're on the 4 hours. It's coming. It's looking like it's coming down, but we might have some support right here. Right. So we could. I'm telling you where levels we can stop eventually. This could definitely be a stop. See, it came a little bit decided. I don't know, maybe it's going to go through it, maybe it's not. But this is a big candle, right? And it's big fucking 4-hour candle with a lot of volume, big red candle. Okay, I don't want to write anymore. But yeah, that could be a level where we might stop at. Another level where we can stop at is maybe here. So it's like a level to level type of thing. These could also be stops down here and also down here. Okay? Or like down here. Kind of this area, because this area is super choppy. You don't want to be, you don't want to even be there. So like I would say maybe down here. But yeah, all of this is like these should be green because these are buy levels. Anything under here is a buy level, guys. This is what I'm telling you. Anything under here is a buy level for long term, okay? We're not talking days here. We're not talking months here. We're talking years. So you just got to have a look at it big picture, okay? We're not here to play around and just lose money because we've all done that and we've all figured that it's not right, okay? And you just hard-earned money is just literally just going into fueling this big machine, which is good, right? But we don't want it to get to be to the fact where it's detrimenting us. We want it to be something that's going to benefit us. So how we do that is by investing long-term and knowing how much to invest. Now, I am willing to sit here and say I'm going to put my entire net worth in Bitcoin, okay? I'm willing to do that. And that's how much I'm willing to lose, okay? That's how much of a bigger bet I have. But obviously I have to know when to sell, when to buy, and not buy the tops, okay? So you have to have knowledge before doing anything really within this kind of space. So yeah, don't trade. If you're about a beginner, you're thinking you want to make money with trading, get the fuck out of here, go home. Because it's not going to happen. So yeah, we are in a downtrend. This was the top right here. Super trend is also pretty nice. It tells you where, what kind of trend the chart is in. Like, right now we're pretty bearish. But yeah, guys, like these are buy levels. You should be buying here a little bit, buying here a little bit, buying here a lot of bit. Anything under 15, just dump your whole net worth into because you're never going to see that. And here's how I'm going to confirm this. We're going to have a look at chain exposed again, right? These are the sell bubbles. Everybody, I do recommend having a look if you really want to know more. Have a look at this website. Super informative. These guys are honestly amazing. Whoever made this website, thank you so much because this is honestly tremendous. Like this information, you're not going to get it anywhere else. So yeah, where are we right now? Let's have a look here. All right, chain exposed. Thank you so much again. So this is where we are, guys. We made a top right here. We tried to make another top. There was some accumulation there. Whales fucked it up. Guys, I don't know nothing about stocks. I don't know nothing about Bitcoin. I know nothing about charts, and I'm just here, just shooting the shit and talking shit because I know nothing, right? I'm stupid, and yeah. But yeah, those this is the second top where there were some whales accumulating. We can see that because of the warm color here. Again, we have some accumulation here, which is around the 21 level. We have accumulation around 22.7, but I think, yeah, we did take that off, as you can see right here. So we're kind of maybe heading down here, actually. See, here, not a lot of accumulation because we're probably going to take this down. We definitely going to hit 21 levels right? But I've been saying, like, if you saw my previous video, I put up a video and the whole audio got messed up. But there was a lot of good information there. I didn't want to do it again. I don't care. I was like, fuck it, just for content, right? But there was a lot of information there. We talked about this there, where there was, we saw a little bit of accumulation here, but again, we started kind of to die off down this kind of area right here, and it's still dying off. So it's probably until we're gonna find a little bit more support in the next couple of days. I don't know if we are around here, around the 20, like we already took. So we're like down here, right? I don't know if we're gonna find support in the 21, 22 levels. Maybe, right? Maybe. Again, not a lot there, but a lot here around the 20. You're definitely gonna see some accumulation. But if we take this off and we take this off on the way down, the next spot is definitely gonna be around the $17,000 level, which you should be buying. Yeah, this is the market. I don't know nothing, guys. I'm just here informing you. So, well, transaction count. Let's see, I'm not too familiar with this actually, but if you want to know more, just go look into here. I'll tell you what I'm kind of familiar with is this right here, unrealized profit loss. I believe it's this one. This one, I tried it. It's a little bit too complicated. This one's a little bit easier, as you can see. Okay. So what do we have here? I don't want to go out. Let's look in. Let us look. So what this kind of means is in the in the pink, this is how much supply is in loss. In blue or green or whatever color you want to call that, the supply is in profit. Okay. So where do we want to be buying? We want to be buying where both supply and loss are kind of 50% or below. Anything 50% or below is perfect, prime for buying. So as we can see, something around here where we had 52 supply and profit, so it's about like the equal, both of them. When they come 42 to like 43 to 47, things like that, those are buying spots. I'm just itching my leg because it's fucking itchy. No, I don't care. Anyways, so you should be buying around these levels right here. As you can see, like it was a nice buy. Not just because it's there, but look at this. I think we can move this. Yeah, we can. And then we can even look out. Oh, I don't want to take it off. Something like this. Nice. So yeah, look at this. It doesn't matter where we go. So anything around here, which was 3K, 4K. See why? Just here. Prime level buy, amazing buys. People who bought there, you're a legend. You are a legend. Okay. So people who bought here were legends, around that 8K, somewhere around that. I mean, like this is not really a legend, I don't know. But spots where this matches, right? Where you have right here, where you have 47 to 52, or like about a 50-50 equal ratio of supply and profit and supply and loss. That's where you want to be buying. As you can see, those were the dips. Now where you want to be selling, as far as where you want to be selling, where the supply and profit is greater than supply and loss. You see, when these, okay, I tried to point at the screen, but here, I'll do this. You see these spots? That's where you kind of want to be selling. And see, in this case, it was kind of like if you're a long-term, holder, you would probably want to buy here. But you gotta know when to trade, man, because this thing is like you can do two things. You can trade it and know when to sell and just sell at the tops, or you can just hold and just hold and just hold and just hold. But holding is boring, right? You gotta know, like you can't hold, right? But you gotta know when to buy and when to sell. But always holding, always have like a little bit, holding. That's what I would like to be, right? Where I, in the future. Just having a big bag of crypto, which I'm never going to sell, is just right there, right? For the future. And then other like little smaller bags where I can, put into some strategies. So yeah, this is something you guys can look at. Supply and profit versus supply and loss. It is informative, as you can see. When it's really close to supply and profit, that's you selling. Get out of there. But then you have to buy again, right? So right now, I'll tell you guys where we are at. Where are we? Don't like this. Don't like how this chart is like this. You have so many things. Come on, chart, take us back. Yes, please. Thank you. So we are right now. How many? Where are we at right now? Who am I? Right? You know what I mean? What's my name? I don't even know. So right now we have about 72% profit and 27 in loss. That's what we're kind of about right now. Not that's 20% above the mean. I mean not the mean, which is the equal supply being in profit versus loss. So we got a little bit more. If you're holding, you got a little bit more, I think. But anything, I'll tell you, like anything with the 50% ratio, 1-to-1, buys, guys. You gotta buy. Bye. You know how to say it in the stock market. It's like there's like these guys shouting, right? Here, let's put my thing up bigger. Whoa, perfect. Yeah. So here, I'll show you where I'm at right now, because this is sick. right? So you know how they say, if you're in the stock market and they come up, somebody about to go home, and then they leave, right? They leave the stock market and they say buy, and they're like, everybody's saying sell, 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 and then that one guy says buy. Everybody switches their opinion to buy. Little by little, somebody hears it, like, oh, buy, what, buy, and then buy to everybody who's like in the on the floor, and it just switches to buy, and that's how you get the the waves in the market. So that's a funny joke, but yeah, buy, 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 buy.